Ever thought about diving into real estate but felt a little lost? Let me explain how you can start building with me from day one. If you're curious about real estate, I can help explain how becoming an EMD investor or exploring capital partnerships can be the perfect opportunity. I'm talking about exclusive opportunities to see real deal numbers, exit strategies, and budget breakdowns, all laid out for you. This is perfect for first-time investors looking to dip their toes in with confidence, professionals wanting passive income without the daily grind, or anyone who believes in real results and solid partnerships. Imagine securing short-term returns backed by real assets, with investments starting from just $1,000 to $5,000. Sounds intriguing, right? If you're ready to take the leap or just want to know more, reach out to me directly. Let's make your real estate dreams a reality together. Contact reFour Real Estate today.